Hi guys. So we're going to do the first extended response question, and that is question 46. Okay, so we're out of the multiple choice section. We're going to do the longer questions now. Okay, so this one's called discussion. So Tyler, Raven, and Deb are discussing the number of CDs that they each own. They find that the following statements are true. Tyler owns 5 more than twice the number of CDs Raven owns, and Deb owns 3 times as many CDs as Tyler. Okay, using X to represent the number of CD Raven owns, write an expression for the total number of CDs the 3 friends own. Show your work and simplify your answer. Okay, so, well, this question already tells us, right? It tells us that we're going to use X to represent the number of CD Raven owns. Okay, so I'm just going to write that out again. I'm going to say we're letting X represent the number of CDs Raven owns. Okay, that's my first step. Okay, remember these sentences are important in word problems. Okay, so if X represents the number of CDs Raven has, then let's create an expression that could represent the number of CDs that Tyler owns. Okay, so let's read this sentence one more time. It says Tyler owns 5 more than twice the number of CDs Raven owns. Okay, so 5 more than twice the number. Okay, so we know that twice the number, right? Well, if X is the number of CD Raven owns, then twice the number would be 2X. Okay, and then it also says 5 more than twice the number, so it would have to be 2X plus 5. Okay, so now I'm going to write my second statement. So let 2X plus 5 represent the number of CDs Tyler owns. Okay, now let's move on to Deb. Okay, so we have to create an expression for Deb now, for the number of CDs Deb owns. Okay, so it says Deb owns 3 times as many CDs as Tyler. Okay, well, we already figured out how many Tyler has, right? Tyler has 2X plus 5. So 3 times as many CDs as Tyler has, well, it would just be 3 times 2X plus 5, right? So that's going to be our expression for Deb. So we're going to let 3 times 2X plus 5 represent, don't mind my bad spelling up here, represent the number of CDs Deb owns. Okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Delete. Okay. Represent. Okay, so back to the question. Okay, so write an expression. So again, so the question says, write an expression for the total number of CDs the 3 friends own. Show your work and simplify your answer. Okay, so total CDs, right? Total CDs. Well, that's just going to be equal to Raven's CDs plus Tyler's CDs plus Deb's CDs, right? So it's going to be x plus 2x plus 5 plus 3 times 2x plus 5. Okay, and then the question says it wants me to simplify. Okay, so this means, right, simplifying means getting rid of the brackets. It means collecting like terms. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this as it is. So x plus 2x plus 5. I'm going to distribute this. So I'm going to distribute the 3 to both terms inside the bracket. So I'm going to get 6x plus 15, right? And now I'm going to combine my like terms. So all of my terms that have an x, right, they can all be combined. So that's going to become 9x. And then all of our terms, all of our constant terms can also be combined. So that's going to give us plus 20, right? So therefore, the 3 friends own 9x plus 20 CDs. Okay, so there you go. That's my full solution, right? I have statements at the beginning where I define my variables. I have the math in the middle where I created an equation and I simplified. And then I have my concluding statement at the very end. Okay, so that is question 46. And I'm going to pause the video and we're going to move on to the next question in the next video.